You know what hurts? Having to force yourself to lose feelings for someone you know you love. It's like trying to convince your heart to stop beating, trying to tell your lungs to stop drawing breath. It's against every instinct, every fiber of your being. This is a battle you fight within, where every memory is a memory. Every glance, every shared laughter is a painful reminder of a bond that once was. Each passing day, you convince yourself you're getting stronger, but each night, you fall into the same pattern of thoughts, replaying the same precious moments, cherishing the lingering fragments of their presence in your life. The process of unloving someone is messy, heartbreaking, and seemingly unending. But let me tell you, it's not a process of denial, but of acceptance. Acceptance that things have changed. Acceptance that the person you loved is no longer the same, or maybe they never were. It's about acknowledging that you deserve someone who reciprocates your love, who values you and cherishes you.